What's up, ghost hunters? This is Sean with the Gulf Coast and Beyond channel. I just picked up this EDI here, and what this is basically the Mel-Meter and the K2 in one. And it has the pressure, humidity, temperature flux, vibe, and your K2 milligas there, or milligauss, I'm sorry. And real quickly, I'll just show you, there's plenty of YouTube videos on how to use them. There's all your things right there. You can change the temperature, Celsius to Fahrenheit, and you can turn them on and off. That's the speaker, turn it on and off. Your display, on and off. You can turn each one on and off. So that's it. But the question is this going to replace the Mel-Meter and the K2? Because basically the Mel-Meter also has a temp flux on it. If the temperature changes a little bit, the alarm will go off. So my question is the EDI, is it going to be the next thing? So I don't know. Most people will think that this could be used solely in place of these two right here, the Mel-Meter and the K2. I don't know. I think when you're going to do a pre-investigation, I think the EDI would be good for setting up to leave in a room with a static cam on it to see what it does, because it does monitor everything in one little box. But then again, I like to bust out the K2 just for a quick reading wherever you go. And the Mel-Meter is always reliable. I've always, you have your EMF up here also, and your temp thing was on the side. So the question is, no, I don't think that it will replace it. I think it's a very good tool to use. It has pretty much everything built in. It's good to set up somewhere and monitor. But the Mel-Meter and K2 will always be part of the paranormal community. The EDI is just the next best thing with everything built into it. About $200 on eBay. But we'll see. I'm going to take it out on investigations. But I will be using everything. Mel-Meter and K2 will be around to stay, in my opinion. Happy hunting.